Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. I've heard some disturbing news. I haven't verified it with another source, but I think it's true. It's just involving Israel and their heavy-handed handling of the virus and of the vaccine. Someone said they're going to start not letting people get medical care without being jabbed, and then they were going to go into not being able to buy and sell and go to your store. So this is disturbing. So I am just beseeching you, this could happen in the United States. No one knows. So get ready for it. If you do not have the little poke in your arm and you're denied medical care, you're going to have to start thinking where you're going to get your care. And first of all, over the counter. Medicine is very important. It's definitely a blessing. So start thinking. I'm going to show you a few things that I think you should include in your clinic. I'm getting ready just to set up a clinic if I had to provide care for my family and friends. So think about medical people that aren't working right now because they're not going to get the little poke. So pick their brains. Nurses. Say, what do you guys use on a constant basis? Talk to ones that work in the nursing homes. Talk to ones that work at the emergency room. Talk to ones that are just in regular general practice at the doctor's office. What do you guys use? What do you see? What do I need? It's cheap now. If it comes to a point where because you don't have a prick, you can't buy this stuff, so that's going to be a problem. If you can't go to the doctor, that's going to be a problem. Now, granted, it might be you can get other people to help you buy stuff, but don't count on that. Better be prepared right now. I'm going to show you a few things that are probably not in your first aid kit. Now, some of them you might not need it, but everyone individually. A few things that you should have. Let's start on the left hand side. Over-the-counter pain medication, that's a given. Right here, urinary pain relief. I'm going to show it to you. You can look it up if you want. I might put a few links. Important if you got a lot of ladies. How about a urinary tract infection test? I think there's 3 kits and 3 testing in here. This is going to be important. If you can't go to the doctor, you can at least test yourself, figure it out, and then try to research what you're going to need. All kinds of anti-itch cream from bug bites. This is important. A laxative, highly recommend it. All kinds of eye relief. If your eyes are bothering you, you are pretty much helpless. Okay, some dental stuff that you should include. Loose cap and loose filling repair. If you can't go to the dentist, all kinds of other things. Oh, I don't know why my horse medicine is in there. That should be in there. I need to put that with the horse. All kinds of things. Get your vitamins now. Over the counters. Whatever you normally use, please. This stuff is dirt cheap. You know, in the scheme of life, it's dirt cheap. Headache medicine. Anything you normally use, please get it. Few things here you might not have in your kit. You might not need it, but talk to people that know. Come up with a kit so you can set up your own clinic at your house and take care of your family. Thanks for watching.